Here's going to be one of the elevators here in the North Tower at the Hilton Daytona Beach. There's the lobby out here. I think this leads to some administrative offices. Anyways, here's a cab view. Pretty nice cab. I think it's been redone recently. Let's go down to one. Ooh, nice doors. Wow. Very nice. This elevator was installed in 2002. Oh, these are just offices. All right, let's go up to one. Now that is an EPIC Submersible Pump. We're gonna go down to one. We'll take this thing for one more ride. All right, here we go. There's a Schindler logo on the side, of course. We will watch the button go out. All right. Here's your interlock. All right, listen. Schindler. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.